Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. Today we will be discussing the stages of creating a beautiful flower bed and the courtyard of a private house. When designing a flower bed, it's important to follow a strict sequence to achieve the desired effect. Before starting, take a sheet of paper and pencil and schematically draw the plot line to determine a suitable place for the flower garden. The shape and design of the flower bed should be combined with the surrounding landscape and style of the building. When choosing a flower garden, keep in mind that it should receive sunlight for at least 5 to 6 hours a day. So choose a sunny location without any drops and remove weeds and long grass. Next, analyze the selected area and determine the type of soil. Generally, a flower bed can be planted on any soil, but if the soil is clay, it should be diluted with sand, and if it's poor, it should be fertilized with composted peat. The next stage is preparing the soil and loosening it to saturate it with oxygen and evenly distribute fertilizer. This includes making several stakes, removing turfs, providing drainage, adding fertilizer, and cleaning the soil from any residue. After preparing the soil, the next step is to choose the plant that will go into the flower bed. It's important to select plants that are suitable for the climate and soil conditions of your location, as well as those that will complement the overall design of your garden. Consider the height, color, and texture of each plant when making your selections and try to create a mix of different types of plants for more dynamic and visually appealing display. When planting the flower, be sure to space them appropriately and follow and specific planting instructions for each type of plant. Water the newly planted flower bed well and continue to water it regularly as needed. As your flower bed begins to grow and bloom, make sure to keep up with regular maintenance tasks such as weeding, dead-heading, and fertilizing as necessary. By giving your flower bed the care it needs, you can enjoy a beautiful and vibrant display of color in your courtyard all season long. Remember to also incorporate any regional design elements such as decorative rocks or ornamental grasses to enhance the overall beauty and functionality of your flower bed and garden. With a bit of planning and care, a flower bed in the courtyard of a private house can become a stunning and tranquil outdoor oasis. Thanks for watching.